Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Here, quick word of warning, be careful at the moment. Yeah, we're approaching here critical areas. There's a few things that currently point to a move to the downside, and don't get me wrong, I'm not talking here about a fake out. I'm not talking about a crash or anything, or a lower low below 17.5k at the moment. No, I'm talking about just a swing low, a new swing low, that despite the move above 24k, we can come down a little bit lower, and that this wave 2 here in white is actually not finished yet. Reason I tell you that is because of the 3-wave move that we did up here, which leaves this entire wave count in a very corrective standing, I would say. So my view is we don't necessarily have completed the wave 2. If we go above 24.2 or 24.3k, yes, that would point towards more upside into the direction of the green target range that I already formulated in the previous videos. That is between 25.7 and 27.3k. However, if we cannot break above this, my view is that we could really come down lower here in a wave 2. Bear in mind, this is always micro counting. These wave movements on the lower time frame are very fragile. But yeah, we would be looking then at an ABC pattern. So an A, this was the B, an overshooting wave B, and we would then come down in a C. And we can also calculate that retracement for this wave 2. Yeah, and that could take us somewhere even below 22.7k. Yeah, so 22.7 is here the 50% fib retracement, and below this level we've got the 61.8 at 22.4k. So this would be an ideal level here for the wave 2. Unfortunately, in that movement, if it becomes active, we would drop below this important resistance level. Now that wouldn't invalidate anything. Again, this would just be normal wave movement. And we could possibly even, depending on how I would draw this trend line here, we could possibly even hold this trend line here. You can see that ascending trend line. So we could still stay above that. It could be just a pullback to such a trend line. And the other, let's call it warning sign, nothing critical, but we have here a bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. It's only the 1 hour chart, but you see a bearish divergence from that high to that high, you make a higher high. Here from that high to that high, you make a lower high. Okay, so that is just something to look at. Don't necessarily see that on the 4 hour chart. Yes, we have a bearish divergence here, but I think the one on the 1 hour is here at the moment a little bit more relevant, just here, yeah. Plus the wave count. Okay, so be aware, be on the lookout, and don't panic if we go here a bit lower. That would obviously temporarily drag the altcoins down a little bit as well. But it would not change anything on the higher level outlook here, that we can give the bullish breakout further a chance. Okay, so that's currently my view about Bitcoin. Just want to let you know about this possible move down. But again, if a move above 24.3k happens, then the wave 2 was probably already in here as suggested in the previous video. And then we can move further. You know, this remains currently the view that we're going to get into this area. If we retrace here a little bit further or not, would not change anything there. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.